What's up my people, it's your girl Donna and I'm here with another video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video. If you don't already subscribe, let's dive right into it. Today I am going to show you how I do my fried chicken. So this is 6 pounds of chicken. I am going to clean it up. I'm going to remove the fat from under the skin, but I'm not going to remove the skin because I'm going to fry the chicken. So these are the seasonings that I'm going to use, which is some bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, lots of it, pimento, Maggi all-purpose, and a little salt. There you go. So now I'm going to cut up the seasoning and I'm going to blend them. I'm going to add the blend seasoning on the chicken, then put some Maggi all-purpose on it and a little touch of salt, and I'm going to massage this chicken for a couple of minutes and then cover it up and let it soak for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Sometimes I do it overnight, but today I'm just going to do it let it soak for about 2 to 3 hours. Then I'm going to add the flour with a little touch of salt and some Maggi all-purpose into a container, and then mix the chicken, put the chicken in the flour. There you go. And I'm going to put that pot on the fire and let it well hot with some garlic and pepper. So getting the oil well hot. There you go, and I drop the chicken in, cover it up, and let it fry. As soon as I'm turning this chicken, I'm going to turn the stove down a little bit, halfway, and cover it up again and let them soak. Because you don't want to bite the chicken and see it raw, so I let it soak. And there you have it, guys. That's really it. That's how I do my fried chicken. Tell me what you think about this video in the comments below about my fried chicken, and let me know, guys, when you're stopping by for some fried chicken. Hope you enjoy this video, and bye for now.